Kinky Artists. Today, we're drawing Wendy Wolf having a splashtastic time in a muddy puddle. She's leaping and laughing, and we get to capture all the fun in our drawing. So grab your pencils, and let's jump into this muddy masterpiece together. Wendy is so energetic that her muddy splashes are as high as a tree branch. Her paws leave cute, muddy wolf-shaped prints everywhere. Wendy Wolf's eyes have opened. I believe she enjoys what she sees. She howls a whoa whenever she jumps in for the biggest splash. Can you make that noise too? Wendy often invites her friends to join in the muddy fun. If you could play in a muddy puddle with Wendy, would you join? Wendy's strong wolf legs help her jump higher than most of her friends. What shapes do you think Wendy's muddy paw prints will make? Hearts, stars, or wolf faces? Great! We've finished drawing Wendy Wolf, and she looks ready to jump right out of the page. Adding color will make her appear even more prepared for action. Now let's grab our crayons or markers and add some color magic. She loves spinning around, making the mud twirl like a little muddy tornado. Wendy doesn't mind getting her bushy tail wet. It makes her giggle. Wendy makes silly games, like who can make the biggest splash, with her friends. Muddy puddle jumping is her absolute favorite thing to do on a rainy day. Do you think Wendy loves puddles more on sunny days or rainy days? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. How many puddle splashes do you think Wendy will make today? 5, 10, or 100? Who would Wendy invite next to join the fun? Peppa, George, or Zoe Zebra? What game do you think Wendy might invent in the muddy puddle? How would you play? Well done! Look at our amazing, colorful Wendy Wolf splashing away in her muddy puddle. Share our drawing. It's sure to bring a big smile. Thank you for drawing with me today, and I can't wait to see you next time.